Hello guys, hope you have some good time. So welcome to a session by Shashira. So today we are going to discuss about branding in social media. So for that we have a special person, Meenak. Hi Meenak, welcome to my session. So let's get into the session
Hi, Shishir.
without,
Good to be
yeah,
here.
yes, it's great to have you in this session. So thank you. So let's get into the session without much wasting the time. So Meenak, please introduce yourself.
Hi, everyone. For those who don't know me, I'm Minank. I am a social media manager at a company called PitchGround. And we at PitchGround sell softwares at 95% off. That's right, for lifetime deal. Other than that, I've been consulting privately for different clients
Okay,
in different industries. I
okay,
worked with people like Digital Deepak, Digital Pratik, and it's just been going on crazy. And you can contact me anytime for all things social media content creation
okay.
at menu.co on Instagram. Thank you.
Okay, yeah, thank you. That's great. Yeah, Minak, actually, how long you have been working in online?
Online field, you
Yeah,
ask?
I mean in digital marketing.
uh, it started off when in 2016, I guess, when I took a drop from the college.
Okay, okay,
Yes, another college dropout.
okay, okay. That's
So
great.
I was free. I didn't know what to do. I googled how to earn money online, found out different ways,
Okay, okay,
and
yeah, that's
then
good. Hmm.
Deadpool movie was released.
Yeah.
So I wrote a piece on it and published it on Facebook. One guy
Okay,
liked it,
okay,
and he's like, "Why don't you write for me?" I'm like, "Fine," and
okay,
that's how it all began.
okay, that's good. So, like, is there any particular event or any person who inspired you to get started with this digital marketing?
Um, it's not like a particular event or a person. Everyone's inspiring in their own ways.
Okay,
I think I would credit it to Deepak. He's
okay,
been like the pioneer in getting people started with this marketing.
okay,
Otherwise,
okay.
everyone's been inspiring in their own ways.
Yeah,
Pratik has
yeah,
inspired
yeah,
me to make more content, and
yeah.
yeah, everyone's been inspiring in their own ways.
Okay, yeah, yeah, that's good. So, yeah, Minak, actually, as a concept, what is social media branding?
Um, Very interesting question. As a concept, social media, if you look back, why did Mark invent all this apps and
Yeah,
make all
yes,
these
yes,
apps?
yes.
It's because he wanted people to connect to each other
Okay,
online,
okay,
even without any kind of boundaries whatsoever.
okay.
Thanks to people like him, we can now video call,
Yes,
voice
yes,
chat
yes, yes, yes.
with everyone across the world. So
Okay.
that's how social media actually began. And then slowly, if
Mm-hmm.
people are getting more and more interested in social media, brands, I guess, decided to get in and
Yes,
advertise and all that stuff. That's
yes,
what
yes,
Facebook ads were invented for, I guess.
yes.
Well, it slowly
Okay.
started shaping in, and everyone's hanging out. Brands started
Okay.
advertising, and yeah, that's how it began.
Yeah, actually, in these days, so according to you, social media, how it is changing the business branding in current days?
I mean, if you see out there, where is everyone hanging out? If you see someone going taking a cab, he's
Mm-hmm.
not looking outside anymore.
Mm.
He's totally bored with this traffic, and he's looking at his mobile.
Yeah.
And if you go to a baseball match, or if you go to a cricket match in our
Yes.
stadium,
Mm.
you see there's a break, he's looking at his phone. He's
Yes.
updating everything on his phone all
Yes.
his life. He's eating a burger, he's updating it on his phone.
Okay.
Everything you see is going on social media.
Okay.
And if you're a brand, if you're not using social media, everyone's hanging out basically on social media. Everyone wants to go live, everyone wants to capture moments with their loved ones. And
Yes.
you know if
Yes.
people are there, be there too. Otherwise, you're missing out. That's
Yeah.
as simple as it can get.
Okay. So, yeah, I mean, actually, what is the best way to grow your brand through social media?
Um, if you take There are two ways. If you take a company perspective,
Mm.
it's called brand building. I would suggest people to read books,
Okay.
because our brand, we have to treat it like a baby. You have to put money into it, invest more into it, and I'll see how it grows up. You know, let's say, for example, take the example of Instagram
Yeah.
or YouTube. what we can do is start making some videos by choosing a topic, what's it's about, and then slowly nurturing it just like a baby to make it grow, and then giving it all your attention, giving it a different look, and so if to grow your brand on social media, you need to be aware of few key things before you start. Just like, what is your brand about? What message are you trying to convey to the world? Is just, are you growing for followers, or is it a legitimate business you want to do with customers? And your brand's mission and vision statement, all these play an important role in shaping things up for your brand in the future.
Yes. Yeah, okay, yeah. So actually, in business organization, there are some brands, actually, they don't have anything to update, like it may be a financial institutions or some industries, some hospitals. Like how can still effectively use social media?
We can take an example of, let's say, hospitals. If you see right now, during this lockdown,
Yes.
Apollo has been repeatedly been messaging me,
Yes.
targeting me on social media and everywhere. It's saying me that they can offer e-consultations, that I need not go to the doctor anymore because of COVID situation. We can't travel.
Yes.
And people are opting for it too. E-consultations. Because people, they may get fever, they may get stomach pain. They just cannot stay at home, right?
Yes.
So they're effectively using social media to communicate that doctors are there for them. And, they're also making money like this. While other hospitals are shut, other small hospitals, other clinics, everything is shut.
Yes.
These guys are making money. How are they making money? Via social media and online,
Yes. Yeah, okay. Yeah, in these days, we can see that there are some brands which uses some trending memes to keep engaged with their customers and go viral. So do you think, will it have a positive impact on branding?
Oh, yes. If you use meme marketing, it allows you to connect with the younger audience. And your content won't be boring anymore, because
that's obvious.
a lot of times we don't really know what we are uploading. We're just uploading for the sake of uploading, and that's really bad. And meme marketing, it's like whenever you see a meme, whenever our human brain tricks into like, okay, we have to react, we stop at it, we look at it, we laugh at it. So we are associating with it more, we are interacting with it more. And if brands are using it, that means you should definitely do meme marketing, because people love meme marketing. You see any police account on Twitter use a meme, it immediately gets attention of all the social media outlets and BuzzFeed and whatnot. And to my previous question, if you're saying ki, what about industries like that, there's an airport that has an Instagram account. There is a university that uses Instagram very well. I want you to check it out. I want the viewers to check it out. It's called Alto University. I want you to see how they use their social media and learn from them, because they're using it pretty well. It's AALTO University. And then regarding airport, I would suggest you to take a look at Changi Airport's Instagram account, because they have been really active. You would understand social media, because they're truly connecting with people. How would I know Alto University, which is somewhere I don't even know? I don't even know the location. But via social media, I'm connected. And I'm getting to know that they offer these courses. I'm getting to know they offer these programs. I'm even suggesting you to them. How did I know? But that's because of exceptional social media marketing. I mean, any brand can be on social media. Any brand.
Yeah.
There's nothing like no brand. There's no niche that social media can't do.
Yeah, cool. So, what are the brands doing wrong when it comes to your social media?
Brands are taking the advice in a wrong way. You see, when Gary says post multiple times, keep posting all the time, brands think, okay, they just keep posting for the sake of posting, which is bad. Every post should convey something important. It should be of high quality, not just you're posting for the sake of posting. And there are different content mixes that you can try. People are just like, why would someone want to buy it? Nobody wants to. Everyone hates seeing an ad. You shouldn't be your account be an ad. You should entertain people. You should provide value to your users, and brands are not really doing it.
Yes, yes,
And that's where the brands are really going wrong, by not providing enough value and enough entertainment or enough whatever. They're just selling, and social media is not about selling. It's about connecting with people and communicating about your brand and establishing trust.
yes,
They're failing to do that.
yes. See, in nowadays we can see there are some brands. So they kept themselves by intentionally or unintentionally by posting some wrong contents or commenting on some things. So people will start to boycott their products or boycott their services, something like that. So according to you, how such brands can avoid such social media outrage, or how they can handle some negative comments like that?
Let's say you probably like, let's say your brand fucked up. What do
Yeah.
you gotta do? I mean, you have to
Yes.
apologize.
Yes.
That's it.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
In
Yes.
rare circumstances, you might have to look at it if you can get away with it by not talking.
Mhm. Yeah.
You by not talking about it. Some brands have really gotten away with
Yes.
that.
Yes. Yes.
But if you can, you should apologize if
Mhm.
it doesn't hurt, because there are many things at play.
Yes.
Let's
Yes.
say Elon Musk, once he fucked up by talking something in his show,
Yes.
in a guest show. So his stocks really fell down, Tesla stocks and everything, just because he spoke something bad
Yes.
about,
Yes. Yes. Yes.
he made a racist comment.
Yes. Obviously.
I think he deleted the tweet, apologized,
Mm.
because once it's on the internet, it just doesn't go
Yes.
away.
Yes. Yes.
You see, people have no other work, just keep
Yes.
digging on old tweets.
Yes. And
People
also, it
just want
became
to try
some
to
memes
malign you.
also.
People just want to try to malign you,
Yeah.
man.
Yeah.
Online world is like scary. They want to like take you down. They can't see you succeed.
Mm.
All this bad stuff that comes into play. So you want to be really careful before you make such comments.
Okay.
And if you have made such comment, it's all right, because you already made it. Now you can apologize or try to get away with it.
Okay.
Big brands, they usually release a press release.
Yeah. Yeah.
You know
Yes.
that's a good way to do that as well.
Okay, okay. Yeah, actually, there are different social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, Pinterest. So, what are the uniqueness of each platform when it comes to a branding?
Yeah, each platform has its own importance. You need
Yes,
to keep a look at where your users are hanging
yes,
out.
yes, yes, yes.
For example, um, let's say real estate. I don't think so real estate users are really hanging out on Instagram, but they might be on Facebook or LinkedIn. I don't think real estate buyers are on Instagram, at
Yes,
least for
yes,
now, because
obviously.
Instagram is dominated by 18 to 34-year-olds, and 18 to 34-year-olds really don't buy real estate. You can do it for brand awareness. That's a different thing.
Yes.
But you need to really target where your potential audience is hanging out,
Yeah.
which either would be Google Ads,
Mm.
or maybe have a proper Facebook page, which all information, because buyers are intelligent nowadays. They browse Facebook and other pages of these brands to get trust,
Yes, yes,
and
yes.
trust is what matters here to make it before making a purchase,
Okay.
because it's in lakhs,
Mhm.
and you
Yes.
really want to be like keep it updated, so that
Yes,
you never know where your word is spreading from.
yes. So actually, can you tell us about some brands which are using social media more strategically and more effectively?
I told you about Instagram, Changi Airport, using it
Okay.
pretty good.
Okay.
Because I wonder, if
Mm.
let's say an airport tomorrow, an airport comes to me as a client,
Mm.
I'm like, what Instagram content would I make for an
Yes,
airport?
yes, yes.
That would be really confusing to me. But when I see Changi Airport, I'm like, oh my god, these guys are nailing everything which has got to do with that airport.
Okay.
And what was your question again? Brands which are taking good
Yes, yes, yes.
advantage of. Hey,
Hi, hi. I'm
I'm
sorry.
not sure whether how it got cut. Can you hear
Yes,
me
yes.
now?
Yeah, I can. Yeah.
SEMrush is actually making pretty good use by conducting webinars. Every brand has got its own strategy.
Yes, yes.
Some brands are really using TikTok.
Mm-hmm.
You see this brand called Khata Book.
Yes, yes. I've seen that.
They're totally nailing TikTok
Yes, 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 yes.
because they know that their audience is over there.
Mm-hmm.
It's all about making content for your audience
Okay.
and knowing who your audience is first beforehand.
Mm-hmm.
And anyone can succeed on social media. It's not like it's tough or something.
Okay.
You just have to know the basics right, get the foundation right,
Okay.
who your audience is, and just create content.
Okay. Okay. So, according to you, what is the future of social media?
Burger King is doing crazy on social media.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. I've seen that. Yeah. I mean, actually, according to you, what is the future of social media in India? Will it be
Social media
another?
won't be just limited to a platform anymore.
Okay.
Like we thought Facebook, Instagram, everything would be the
Mm-hmm.
future. Suddenly,
Mm-hmm.
this new Chinese app pops up, TikTok.
Yes. Yes.
People still don't go for it. It's like,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, it's a kids app. Who
Mm-hmm.
will go for it? They've been telling this all these years,
Mm-hmm.
and in 2020, suddenly they see
Mm-hmm.
everyone go for it.
Yes.
I
Yes.
mean, and they're going for it also.
Yes.
You
Yes.
know, you
Yes.
see TikTok. I think let me check TikTok for now. Um, users. Apple is on TikTok.
Yeah.
Could you believe that?
Yes.
Apple is on TikTok.
Yes. Yes.
If a brand like Apple, which has like billions and trillions of dollars valuation, is on TikTok, and you're considering TikTok and still on the fence, I don't know.
Yes. Yes. That's great. Yes, madam.
Apple hasn't made any videos, but it's on TikTok.
Yes, they are watching someone else actually.
They're
uh,
just watching. They just took the username and left it. Maybe
yes.
we don't know.
Yeah. Yes, madam.
Other brands are also doing good, man. Many brands are doing good. Nike and all this stuff. I can go on. The list is huge actually.
Yes. Exactly. Yes,
But
madam.
these brands stand out for me, Changi Airport and everything, because they're exceptional. Really
Okay.
exceptional.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, that's great. So, where we can find you online and how we can learn from you, madam?
You can find me on Instagram. That's where I'm most active at
Okay.
menu.co.
Okay. Okay.
And you can pretty much find me everywhere. You just have to type my
Okay.
name. I
Okay.
think my name is very rare and unique.
Okay.
You can find me like very easily. It's
Yes.
not that difficult to
Yes.
find.
Yes. Yes. So actually, so I will ask a couple of questions back to back. You should answer it
Sure.
in one word. Okay. So define yourself in one word.
Define myself in one word.
Yes.
One word for myself would be awesome.
Awesome. Yeah, that's good. Success
I know I'm
according to
awesome.
you. Yeah. Success according to you.
Success mean to me?
Yes.
Um, everything what I wish to have.
Oh, great. So,
I think I would be successful if I have everything what I wish for.
okay. Okay. Good answer. So, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, Pinterest. Which one you choose?
That's a tough one. That's a really tough one because every social media has its own
Yes.
this thing. But Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest. Right now, I would choose LinkedIn.
LinkedIn. Yeah. I expect that answer. So,
As of now, yes.
yeah.
Because as of now, Facebook has no value
Yes.
anymore.
Yes. Yes.
Seriously.
Yes.
Unless you want to do ads and all.
Yes. Yes. So, what do you call a brand
I mean, it
without
has value. It's not like it doesn't have value, but
Mhm.
LinkedIn is working
Limited?
really great.
Yes, comparatively.
Fantastic. Fantastic.
Yes, I agree. So, what do you call a brand without social media presence?
Oh my God, brand without social media. Please get on social media ASAP. That's it. Because if not now, few years down the line, you will get on social media.
Okay.
Because that's how brands are discovering,
Yes, yes, yes.
Tomorrow, if you like, it has already started.
Yes.
If you see elders with these smartphones, they just want to like, now if I want to find out the salon's number, if it's open or not, I just Google it and I go for the salon, call the salon and book an appointment.
Yes.
I no longer go there physically and tell them, hey, I want to book an appointment for something or something like that,
And even
It's
without,
already happening.
yeah, with this smart technology, we don't want to touch even the smart things like smartphone or anything. We just call Siri.
In this age of smartphones, you gotta be smart too.
Yes, yes,
you
yes.
know.
So yes, man.
And
Finally,
as a brand, you need more visibility.
yes.
And unless you're doing some shady stuff, you should be on social media for sure.
Yes, yes. Yes. So final thing. So your final words to the your inspiring words to any person who wants to start their
Who's
career
your
in.
audience, by the way? For
Sorry?
people who are starting social media? Awesome. So for people who are starting social media,
Yes.
I would tell them it's a good field.
Yeah.
You should definitely consider it,
Okay.
because very rarely people, because content creation is your thing. If content creation you think is your thing, you should definitely come on social media, check it out,
Mm.
and learn from right sources like HubSpot and many big things. For people who are starting out, I would say initially you might not have funds to learn from the best, but get ready to unlearn stuff, because you're gonna come through a lot of bullshit information
Yes, yes, yes,
online,
yes.
a lot
Okay.
of, and you got to be ready to unlearn that,
Mm.
because if you're learning the wrong things and practicing the wrong things, it
Yes.
might set you back for a few months or years maybe.
Yes, yes, yes.
And practice makes a man perfect, that's what people say. But if the wrong practice, it doesn't make you perfect, it just pulls you back from where you were exactly.
Yes, obviously.
So make sure you verify your information where you get it, because everyone's nowadays selling courses.
Mm-hmm.
Not, no offense, but if you're selling courses, give them the right hopes,
Yes.
rather than saying you do this, within 15 days you're gonna have a Lamborghini or become rich, or
Yes.
doing something like that.
Yes.
That's not how this works.
Yes.
And,
Yes.
and if you want to be the best social media manager,
Mm-hmm.
go out there,
Mm-hmm.
follow these exceptional brands which are doing great in social media,
Mm-hmm.
see how they are posting.
Mm-hmm.
You know, nobody in India, very handful of people in India can do that kind of stuff.
Yes.
If you go, let's say the example of go to skincare or something,
Mm-hmm.
what would you think? Immediately you would be like, I have to list out skincare products on Instagram and show them that my product has these features. No, that's not how it works, man.
Yes.
You need to show people skincare routine that they can use to reduce spots on their skin,
Yes.
and in between suggest their product. You're providing a lot of value, sharing them tips how to get rid of pimples and everything, and then bringing in your product. It's not like you want to list out features and everything. That's what any social media manager who's just starting out would think in his mind. Okay, I have to list
Yeah.
out features, products, so people can see it. And that's boring.
Yeah.
Why would I want to really see your products and everything? I want it to be interesting. I come to Instagram because I'm bored from my work from something. I don't want to get bored seeing your content. Okay? Or it has to be interesting.
Okay. Okay.
So observe them,
Mm-hmm.
because you cannot create that content right now. You think it's impossible to make it. I've been there.
Mm-hmm.
But few years down the line, just keep practicing it. Try to mimic their content for your brand. Just, try to mimic. Don't purely copy it. Just
Yeah.
get inspired by it and see what you can do for your brand.
Yes. Yes.
And you'll find a lot of things you can. Slowly you're starting to get into their frame of mind. You're seeing how they are making content. It's so hard.
Yes.
Then you're slowly getting used to making content. It's like a practice for you. And then, that's how it works.
Yeah.
Join relevant communities on Facebook. Don't, whatever I'm here is because of community. You found me because of community.
Yes, obviously.
I like LD. Join relevant communities,
Yes.
and find relevant people that are learning, along, who have the same goals as you. There are many social media marketing communities on Facebook. Many.
Yes.
CMX Hub is one of them. Learn Digital Marketing is one of them.
Yes.
And many such communities.
Yes. Yes. So yeah.
So my advice
thank
is
you.
join the communities,
Okay.
take the learnings,
Mm-hmm.
unlearn, and all this stuff.
Okay. One more thing. Any books you want to refer? That's related to social media.
Many books.
Okay.
It's like, as a social media, you're not just managing the brand social media anymore.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, they're different. Social media management is different. Social media marketing is different. You see, recently, Queen of England was looking for a social media manager.
Yes.
The royal house, the Queen of England.
Yes. Yes.
For this, they don't want marketing. They really don't want marketing.
Yes. Yes.
Because everyone really knows them. They're the most popular people in the world. They want someone who can understand and manage their social media and reputation online.
Yes.
Via these social media, apps. Because they don't really know how to post on Instagram. They don't have time to learn all that. They are hiring a social media manager who can do that. Now think, they're going to hire the best of the best people in the world because they are rich and they can do anything they want, right?
Yes. Yes.
You totally need to understand and get into their frame of mind and see what they actually want. You cannot post about Queen just like anything.
Yes.
They have the certain guidelines, certain rules and regulations to follow.
Yes.
So you need to really learn how to manage a brand's reputation. You slowly just move on to the whole field of marketing. You're not just managing social media anymore.
Yes.
You're handling the entire company's business goals and everything. They're just putting it onto you, and you have to craft your social media in such a way that it helps a brand's business goals.
Yes. Yes,
That's
yes.
so deep into it.
Yeah, that's a great session. So thanks for such a great information. I love to interact with you, man. So, and I wish you very all the best for your entire career. So thanks for sharing information. So
Thanks, man.
yes,
All the
man.
best to you too.
All the best. Yes. Bye.
Thank
So
you. Bye.
yes. Thank you guys. Hope you have learned a lot of things from this session. So I'll meet you in the next session with one more topic and with one more person. Thank you and bye-bye.
Good night.